G'day, it's Adam Franklin, and this morning I was on a walk around the river here in Perth with my mate Tom, and he actually asked me whether I still did Facebook Live videos. And the short answer is no, but I'm still a very big fan of videos, and here's why. Firstly, when Facebook Live came out originally, I tended to find they get a lot more traction than a pre-recorded one that you uploaded, so I focused on them. But then what I found about a year ago, probably 18 months ago, is that videos uploaded natively to LinkedIn got significantly more traction even than a Facebook Live, like 10 to 20 times more views and engagement than the Facebook Lives. So anyway, I focused more on the LinkedIn side of things. I'm still doing these 100 videos in 100 days and putting them on Facebook, but just as pre-recorded ones, and also in my private Facebook community. That's it. See you later.